si Daddy kami game. 1.
Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Quality test. Binuksan-buksan. Hindi niya na mabalik.
It's just a puzzle.
Puzzle! Kasi ikaw din magtuturo. Hello?
Mic test. Check.
Dahil wala si Daddy kami game. 1. 1, 2, 3. Another day, another Christmas! Gift. Tama, gift wrapping nga naman. Tama ka naman. Bakit ba kasi nilagay mo dito? Parang hindi, it's not giving. Ganon na mas cute, ganon. Excited kami mag-Christmas ngayon. Bakit?
Kasi, madami family members na babalik dito to celebrate with us! Woohoo! Excited kasi kami. First time namin makakasama. No.
Sila kuya. Tsaka
Sila kuya.
Mag-Christmas.
Anyways, yun yung nilook forward namin for this year Christmas.
Tsaka, meron kaming bagong Christmas tree. Insert ko yung clip ng nagde-decorate ko. Yung ganda ng bagong Christmas tree. It's giving.
Aesthetic yung vlog. Again. Yung sa
Take three.
Uy. Wait lang naman. Walang ghosting. Walang ghosting. Walang kaka. Ay, may drawing pa.
Ang pang reels lang.
Tayo mo na to.
Nakakita lang niya. Ayoko na to.
Ako din. Gusto ko ba ganun?
Dahil? Ito?
Sabi natin ilaw na ba? Ilaw na ba? Uy, tatlo yung kami. Why dadali sa... Wow! Three! Wala yung mga... Tyrannosaurus. Dapat nandyan yung cheer mo dyan.
It's giving.
Thank you, Mom, Dad, and Chess for buying that.
Watch nyo na lang yung full video sa channel ni Ate Chess at Life Cachet. Ay, oo. Nandito yung account niya. Dito na lang dito. Chiching!
So,
Let's get started!
ako gusto ko ito. I'm excited.
Gets! Woo! We got it! Meanwhile, me. Doon na lang sa kanya. Nag-fit na. Yay! Close it.
I've been working so much lately. I can barely find the time to sleep. Gonna spend my time running your phone, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's just the start of a new, 'cause I missed you so. I'm letting go of everything but you.
One down.
These are the good
Look! My turn.
Yeah, it's just gotta be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been hungry for you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
What? It's me! It's us! Thank you for flying with us. Okay, mag-work na ulit tayo. Nag-ano lang ako. Break. Pero UV protection na jacket siya. Tapos,
Para sa mga relatives namin na
laging nagta-travel.
So, may concept here. Kasi ang laki ng paper bag ng Uniqlo pala. Nagagawin namin siyang, ano yun? Candy style na wrap.
Yung gano'n, yung kay Mr. Bean. Pero kung alam niyo pa yun.
Mag-experiment muna ako kasi. Experiment namin.
Scissors!
Wait lang. Hey!
Nice! Na-achieve. Cute! Wow! Ay, hindi nagre-record. Galing niya. Hello! Update. It's currently 11:56 p.m. and we're done. Ta-da!
Christmas, let's go! 2026.
2026!
Christmas 2025, let's go!
Good night, guys! Sige na. Naagawan na naman tayo.
Christmas 2025, let's go!
Making our Christmas memories. Oh,
Walang post. Walang post. Impostor to. Impostor. Feeling ko rin.